Hello my loving kids, welcome back to my channel The Learning Hub Pompa Majumdar. I am again back with a new topic. It's all about a season, that is rainy season. In this lesson we are going to learn what are the things that we see during the rainy season, the things we use and eat during the rainy season, and the creatures we see during the rainy season. So first let us know what is season. A season is a period of the year that is distinguished by special climate condition. I repeat, a season is a period of the year that is distinguished by special climate conditions. Actually, there are 5 main seasons in the world: summer season, rainy season, autumn, winter season, and spring season. And today we are going to discuss about rainy season. Rainy season comes after summer season. The rainy season starts in mid-June and ends in September. It is also called monsoon season. The sky looks cloudy in this season. Nature looks green, fresh, and beautiful during rainy season. Rainy season brings relief from scorching heat and makes the environment cooler and pleasant. Now children, we are going to see the things that we see during rainy season. So can you guess what do we see during rainy season? Yes, obviously rainfall. It rains a lot during this time. That's why this season is called rainy season or monsoon season. We see dark clouds in this season. Look at the picture. Here it is raining and we can also see dark clouds in the sky. Thunderstorms are also observed in the rainy day. I hope you all know that rhyme. I hear thunder, I hear thunder, oh don't you, oh don't you. Pitter patter raindrops, pitter patter raindrops, I wet through, so are you. We can also see puddles in the rainy season. These are puddles. After rainfall, water fills small holes on the road. These are called puddles. Children like to jump and play into the puddle and also like to float paper boards into the puddle. Children, we can also see an amazing thing during rainy season. That is a rainbow. Yes, during rainy season, we can see beautiful, colorful and amazing rainbow in the sky. What is rainbow? Rainbow is a colorful band that has 7 colors such as violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange and red. Children, have you ever seen a rainbow in the sky? I have seen many times. It's an amazing thing. You can also see a rainbow in the sky after rainfall. So children, what are the things that we see during rainy season? We see dark clouds, thunderstorms, puddles, rainbow, etc. during rainy season. Now children, let's see the things that we use during rainy season. When it rains and we want to go outside, then what do we use? We use umbrella, raincoat and gumboot to protect us from getting wet. Why do we use such kind of things during rainy season? Because these things are made of plastic or rubber that does not absorb water. So children, We use umbrella, raincoat and gumboot during rainy season to protect us from getting wet. Children, what do we like to eat during rainy season? Rainy season comes after summer season. So rainy season brings relief from scorching heat and makes the environment cooler and pleasant. So that's why in this season we mostly like to eat khichdi, pakora, samosa, hot tea, corn, etc. And look here are some fruits that we get in the rainy season that can improve our immunity, such as pears, blackberry, jackfruit, plums, cherries, etc. Children, during rainy season, we can see different types of creatures around us. Have you ever observed? Let's see. We can see frog, mushroom, earthworm, snail, snake, etc. during the rainy season. So these are different types of creatures that we can see during rainy season around us. Children, let's know a few more important facts about rainy season. Rainy season is very important for farmers as it helps to produce good crops. Rain is the main source of water on the earth. During rainy season, ponds, rivers, lakes and canals are filled with water. Rainy season enhances the scenic beauty of nature. So rainy season is the favorite season for most of us. So friends, if you like the video and if you think this video is helpful for you, then don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. So see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.